Now this is the Nature Coast State Trail swing bridge. It was used by the Florida East Coast Railroad, but now it was converted to a trail, state trail footbridge. It's a woven through truss approach and forced deck girder swing, which is the center bearing type swing. It's fixed in place across the Suwanne River near Old Town, Florida, near Fannings Springs. Let's see. It's open for pedestrians now, so and so it doesn't pivot anymore for ships and boats. It's closed shut. So and again, one with through truss approach, and so this was located in Old Town, Florida.